Hello my friends, another video in English. Today I will build some quite heavy-duty rack for wood. Okay, so bike is not needed right now. I'm trying to do some crazy stuff on it, but it's another story. So I will use 20 by 60 steel profiles, and I have the same profiles in another room, so I know it's enough for sure for stuff like this. And I think it's last empty wall in my workshop, so I decided that I need more space for sure, because every single piece of my workshop is full of some stuff. So I decided that I really need to build another rack or shelves. And on the floor is beech. I think the species is quite old, 50 or 60 millimeter thick. So it's quite heavy. I must be a little careful with my back. Okay, so and now I need to find a beam after the wall or behind the wall, and it's not very difficult because on the wall I just need to find some little steel pins, and then I'm sure that the beam is just after. And of course I need to use some wooden spacer, because you know, you see the horizontal, how to say it, okay, never mind. I need to use 20 millimeter spacer to be sure that this steel vertical profile is for sure vertical, and like you see, is not touching the wall. Now I need to use 5 millimeter spacer, and I'm using quite thick screws. It's about 6 by 160 millimeter, to be sure, of course, that this rack will be stable. And it's nearly ready. Of course, nearly. And the last one. And now I can use screws to keep them in place on the floor. There is also I will use just one screw per piece. It's enough. And time to clean a bit, and the beech can be placed on the floor, on the first level. And now it's look cool, I think. I will use this beech for next project, so most of them will be used. And now it's time for shelves. I will use screws, 10 millimeter screws, so it's enough for this stuff. Of course, I just put them in this place right now, but I'm not sure it will stay there, or I will move them higher. It's not matter right now. I just need to buy some plastic caps for this profile, 20 by 60, and will be finished. Sorry. Okay, so it's time to put some shelves. Sorry. I will use 20 millimeters plywood. It's extremely strong. Of course, I will put them just now, because when I put normal slabs, you don't need any plywood, yeah. And now it's time to check if all the how to say it. I will check arm, yeah. I need to check all arms are really in the line, in one line, because it's very important, and the top shelf is very good. But now I see little problem here. Like you see, it's welded not very good, not right. So this arm must be fixed, and I think the last one, you don't see it, but it must be fixed too. It can't stay like this. And of course I will check the bottom one. And of course I need put this plastic caps to make it, you know, looks better. And of course I need to keep in mind that this place must be clean, because I need to walk. Walk around the table saw, but I think now is much better than previous version. Okay. What else I can say? That yes, it's strong for sure. There isn't knobs on the end of screws, so I will put them later. And thank you for your time, and see you next time. Bye bye.